So, whether you have a mortgage in place or not, I really want to talk to you about this. And it's about the difference between life insurance and death in service. Do you know the difference? So, let's start off by talking about life insurance. And let's keep it simple. This is your own personal policy. Even if you change jobs, this policy will stay with you. As long as you maintain the monthly premiums, this is designed to pay out either a lump sum, which can be to pay off the mortgage if you want, it could be debts in the background. Not everyone has a mortgage, so even if you're renting and you have a lump sum of money that could protect you if the worst happened, it still makes sense to have it in place. It's designed to pay out in tax-free to a chosen beneficiary of your choice, which basically means someone that you want to benefit from the money, whether it's a lump sum or the monthly payment. All life insurance policies as well should be written in trust, which basically means the right person gets the right amount at the right time. Now let's talk about death in service, and again, keeping it simple. So this is not your policy, it's an employee benefit, meaning that if you no longer work for that company, you will no longer benefit from that policy. Most companies offer between 3 to 4 times your salary amount on the payout of the benefit. However, check the wording on your contract. Sometimes it does say they pay up to a certain amount of your salary, not just X amount of your salary. So again, if the worst was to happen, the company would inform the insurer. The insurer would then make sure that the eligibility checks have been done. They will then send the money to the company's nominated trust, and then within that, the nominated beneficiaries and trustees will decide who gets the money and when. So to sum this up, if your employer offers death in service, please ask yourself this question. Is the amount enough to pay off a mortgage if that's what you've got in place? Or is the amount enough to pay off any debts that you might have in place if you are renting or living with friends or family? Also, does it give you the option to give you a monthly income for your family to benefit from, to make sure that bills are always being maintained? If the answer is no, or your employer doesn't offer death in service, then let's talk about life insurance.